it's so good to see you. Thanks for stopping by. So today I'm going to be opening up Medusa Makeup. And this is a monthly subscription of $16.95. It comes with 4 full-size products and it is vegan and cruelty-free. So I got a card included which shows everything that's included in the box. At the very bottom it also gives you the cost of the items. It's a sneak peek of Lovebird. I guess this is their skincare line that's going to be coming out in May apparently. Another Lovebird card and gives you a 10% off coupon. First thing in the box is an eye primer and it's sticky. And then that is the back. So this is exciting. I'm curious to see what another primer feels like. Doesn't have any scent to it. That's what it looks like on the inside. It's pretty dense, I gotta say. Swatch it first. Yeah, it's a clear primer. Ooh, this would be great for like glitter. That's awesome. This actually makes me kind of happy because I do not have any primer this thick that would work for glitter. So this is really good. And this runs $9. Next up, Totally Baked eyeshadow, and this is in the color Awesome. So that is the color. It's like a pinkish purple. It's interesting shading. I guess it's more pink than purple actually. This is Awesome. It's beautiful pinkish purple, very vibrant. The only thing I would say is using the Stick It made it impossible to blend. There was fallout on the compact itself, but nothing showed up on my face. All this is just me over brushing. But yeah, I'm really impressed with how vibrant the color is. It's so pretty. And Awesome runs $9. Ooh, this is new. I think I saw this on their website that they were coming out with this. So this is cool. It's a liquid eyeshadow. Ginger. This runs $13. Whoa, it's silver. Oh, look at that. And there's the applicator. Why does it look like a damn... Ew, it looks like a bug. I don't like that. Let's do that again. What's the color? Applied the liquid eyeshadow in the color Ginger. I have a few concerns. Just because it's like so large, and I really hate this. It looks like a freaking slug when you pull it out. So it threw me because it's so thick. I usually like to, as a liquid liner, I'll use it to like line my eyes, and it's so thick that I couldn't do that. And I kind of had to use a brush and take off some of the liquid and just apply it with a brush. It's not that thick. Do I wait for it to dry? Do I just keep reapplying? And then I kind of did still want to blend it out, and I love Medusa, but I'm not a fan of this liquid eyeshadow. The liquid only covers like less than half of the applicator. Yeah, that's all that gets on the applicator. So I think they should have, you know, either changed the applicator or put more liquid in. The last thing that came in the box was a lipstick. Thank God it's not liquid. That's all I could say. That's their packaging, which I think is absolutely lovely. And this is called Muddy Waters. Ooh, this is a dark one. What is that, purple? It's like a eggplant purple. I don't know how I feel about this. I mean, it works, it just, this is not a normal look for me at all. It looks weird. Is all I could say. Like, I don't look bad, but I don't look like me. Like, I feel like there's something missing to like finish it, and I don't know what it is. If you do know what it is, please let me know, because it just feels like I'm missing something here. So this runs $12, just so you know. And that was everything included in my Medusa box. I spent $16.95 and I got a grand total of $43. This box has been interesting. Usually I'm in love with all Medusa's stuff. This is just odd. But as you can see behind me, I still have a lot more boxes to open up. So if you like what you've seen so far, hit that like button. If you want to see more of me, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Cheers. So if you made it this far, my lips were bothering me. That color was so weird. I got another lipstick that I've gotten from one of the boxes, Red Square. Mix the two together and this actually works out a lot better.